welcome you all. We are here to discuss mantra number 4 of No Stopping You. That is what is that? Procrastination. I'm sure it must be something terrible as it is so difficult to pronounce it.
Yes, Sanjay. Procrastination is actually a terrible thing, It is delaying work, either because of laziness or because of some other work, or ho jayega ye kaam, or some other urgent matter. It's only delaying your work.
Yeah, we all have this habit of delaying things.
And when we delay things, we delay success, knowingly or unknowingly.
Everyone these days procrastinates, but everyone should know how much it should be done. It shouldn't be a habit at the end of the day.
Even during this lockdown period, people are procrastinating things. That is very hard to even comprehend.
All this imagining, but when it comes to do, deal.
Why talk about others? Let's talk about us. I am procrastinating myself. There are pile loads of corrections that I need to do, and in spite of it being so important, I'm just delaying it.
Even I'm procrastinating learning music, which I want to, but I'm just delaying it.
And I am procrastinating my studies as I am not sure whether the exams will happen or not.
I am with you, Aditya.
I do procrastinate my business plan.
Right. Sure, Harsh must be procrastinating his office work. For sure.
I do procrastinate for my office work with the stringent deadlines which I have.
See, we all are the same. Like same type, same gyan, no difference at all.
Right.
Ma'am, you gave example of yourself in your book No Stopping You. So can you share about it a little bit?
Well, I am no different than you all. I was also into the habit of procrastination, where I delayed one of the most important tasks, something which I was passionate about. I delayed because of say laziness or other important matter, and finally when that work got completed, I ran out of time and it never work did not get to happen. So procrastination took away one of my major dreams. So one should not procrastinate. So I have stated my failure in the book No Stopping You. That is why we say कल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में पहले होगी, नहीं करेगा तब. These are important things that we need to learn.
Undoubtedly, old proverbs are so meaningful. Each and every old proverb, or whichever proverb it is, it carries meaning, life lessons. It imparts.
Exactly.
And what I feel is when I procrastinate things, when I delay things, I become more lethargic, and at the back of the mind, something is bothering me every time. Like there is no peace of mind.
Yes.
Right, Aditya. It takes a lot of energy to procrastinate things than to do it actually.
I agree. So guys, let's say, we should not procrastinate and make the maximum use out of this, the lockdown period. Let's get rid of this habit and do what is important and do what we love.
Sure, yes. I intend to work.
Yes, Sanjay, make up your business plan. That's important.
I'll be done with the corrections. First thing first.
and I'll have to make a to-do list because my list is definitely going to go.
Yes, we all have a long to-do list, and it keeps on increasing because we never finish off the earlier task. That's the worst part of it.
Yes, and we should not procrastinate. Hence, further, the word procrastination is such a tongue twister.
It surely is. And
So
we
friends,
cannot get
I
rid of
guess we can and we will get rid of this procrastination.
Yes, absolutely. We all can get rid of it, of this insane habit of delaying things. Start today, not tomorrow. And to know more about this mantra, take a book of No Stopping You. The ebook is available, the Kindle version also. So do not delay in buying the book and know about the mantras, because there is nothing in the world which can stop you from living the life of your dreams, because there is no stopping you.
No stopping you.
No stopping you.
stopping
No
you.
stopping you.